Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So you all know that in our previous class we have done till question number 2 from exercise 8.2, right? So today we will be doing question number 3. The question is, estimate what part of the figures is colored and hence find the percent which is colored. Okay, so this is the colored part. Over here I don't have any color, so I have shaded this with the chalk. So this is the colored part. So you have to find out the percentage of the colored part. Also you have to find what part is shaded. So you can see that when you elongate this line, right? So when you elongate this line and when you count the total part of this circle, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So you can see what is the total number of the part in a circle, 1, 2, 3, 4. So out of this 4, how many parts are shaded? Only one part, right? Only one part. So you can write 1 by 4 part are shaded, isn't it? So I hope you understood how I did. So you only have to do is, so just elongate this part, just divide this part, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total in a circle you will get 4 parts. Okay, while making your pie chart also you have drawn in such a way only. So out of this 4, only one part is shaded. This is 1 by 4. So you can say 1 by 4 part are shaded in a circle. Now we have found what part of the figure is colored. So you can write 1 by 4 part are shaded or colored. Now you have to find the percent. Find the percent which is colored. So you have to find you have to convert this into percentage. So whenever you have to convert any number into percentage, what you have to do? What I have told you. You have to multiply with 100, of course. So now 4 ones are 4, 4, 25 is 100, so it is 25%. So 25%, so you will write at the last, you'll write over here, let me write. Therefore, 25% of the part, 25% of part of circle are colored. Okay, isn't it? 1 by 4 means 25% only. So you write 25% of part of circles are colored. Okay, so this is the way of writing. This is the way of finding how many, what part of the percentage or what part of the circle, or not only circle, you can consider other figure also. In a circle it is easy, just elongate this line and just find out how many part you can find. Okay, if suppose this whole part was colored or shaded, then still what you are going to do, you will make a elongated line, you will try to divide into 4 parts. So you will say how many parts are total, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 parts are the final one, but how many parts are now shaded, 1, 2. So it is, at that time the answer would be 2 by 4 or 1 by 2. Okay, for now it is 1 by 4 because only 1 by 4 part of the color is, only 1 by 4 part of the circle is colored. Okay, so with this we are over with the part 1. Let us proceed to the next one. Alright children, proceeding to the part 2, here we have, so even here also you have to find how many parts are shaded and what is the percentage of the parts shaded. Okay, so you can see what is the total. First of all you have to count what is the total part present in this circle. So in the previous one there was 4. Now you will count how many, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 parts are there, right? So in how to write the fraction? Whatever is the total part, that will become your denominator. And what part are the shaded or colored? 1, 2, 3. So it is 3 by 5. So out of 5, 3 parts are colored or 3 parts are shaded. Now, so this is the part of the colored part. Now you have to find the percentage. So any number, whenever it has to be converted into, let me write in the other side of the board. So whenever you have to convert any number into percentage, you have to multiply with 100. Yes? The 5 ones are 5, 5 20s is 100. Now 3 into 20 is 60%. So 60% of the part are colored, isn't it? So you know, I hope till now how to find the percentage, how to find the part, it is cleared. So you will do in such a manner. Okay. So this much for today, children. You'll try with other sums also. You'll try with other figure also in your home. Okay. So in our next class, we will be proceeding with the next question. Thank you, everyone. Alright, children, proceeding to the part 3. Here we have, it is also similar to the previous one only. You have to count down how many parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So out of 8, how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3. So it is 3 by 8. Now you will find out what percent of this parts are shaded. Now this will be a home assignment. To find the percentage, will be a home assignment. You will give me the answer of this. What percent of this parts are colored or shaded? Okay. So this much for today, children. In our next video, in our next class, we will be proceeding with the next question. All right. Thank you, everyone.